do another Booster Bricks box.
So Jaden, what is a Booster Bricks box?
It's a box of Lego site. There's a company called Booster Bricks, and you can buy Legos from them. They send you a box of Legos, and you can buy it monthly.
That sounds like fun.
It is. Let's check out what's inside.
This is the December box featuring a chipmunk's tail.
I wonder what kind of tail.
Ooh, that's kind of scary.
This is a minifigure challenge. Lumberjack. Spotlight piece of the month. Micro build challenge. Premiere challenge. And last but not least,
The
blindfold challenge. Time to start the story. A chipmunk's tail was the most beautiful thing he'd ever seen. He stared in amazement using the spotlight piece and up to 15 other pieces from your own Lego collection. Built the snowflake that fell into Rafi's paw.
Every snowflake is unique.
Especially ours.
Definitely.
It's a snowflake fidget spinner.
Once he got to the top, he noticed there was a steep hill on the other side. He had to get to the bottom quickly if he wanted to escape. Using the pieces in your micro build challenge pack, build a sled to help Ralph get away.
Here it is. This is the sleigh. This pushes out the snow so it can move. And this has the ceiling. And inside right here, it indicates how steep it is, how steep the mountain is. And back here is is where he can put his nuts or something. The food that he gets, he can store in here. This was all he could see. Uh-oh. He was being carried by a large creature and could only amuse. It was not good. He could hear footsteps and a creaking sound followed by a slam. It was suddenly a lot warmer too. Ralphie didn't know what was happening. All he knew was that he needed to get out of there. To simulate building in the dark, put on a blindfold and a pair of scissors. Using only the pieces you received in your blindfold challenge pack. To make the challenge even more difficult, set a timer for 5 minutes to see if you can complete it in time.
The scissors don't open or close. They don't cut anything because it was hard. I couldn't see anything, and I had a limited amount of time, so it was hard to. If I could see or had more time, I would have used something a piece that opened or closed.
Using your minifig challenge pack and any pieces from your own collection, build the lumberjack that scooped up Ralph. Oh look, it's a penny from the Lego movie.
Okay, he is good looking.
This is the lumberjack. He brought a backpack. Here, there's a hammer. And over here, something that you'll wash your dishes or rub pets with, one or the other. And this is something he's gonna ski on. Jumping on his foot though. And then this is his gun. And then over here, he has an axe All lumberjacks need an axe.
It seemed the nut cracking contraption had broken and would no longer crack the nuts. Use all the pieces given in your Premier Challenge pack. Build a nutcracker for Ralph and the lumberjack to use to crack all these delicious nuts. So we probably need one like this, or like this. So you put your nut in here.
The lever opens it and shuts it.
And you close it.
And the nut cracks.
This is our nutcracker. The lumberjack cracked a nut and handed it to Ralph. He was hesitant at first, but he just couldn't resist. Then he was given another and another and another. He did not feel any threat from the lumberjack and decided that it was a nice creature after all. Ralph ate so many nuts, some with flavors he'd never had before.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
To get your own booster bricks, go to boosterbricks.com.